Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here. Today we're making one tasty guacamole. So let's you and I do what we do and make it happen. Chopping some cilantro. It's been washed. This is just your everyday garden variety. Yellow onion. I just splashed my face with onion juice. What? That's more like it. Now this is a serrano. I removed the seeds and the membrane. Make it a little less spicy, but still serranos are hotter than jalapenos, so keep that in mind. I like these tomatoes. You can use Roma instead. Just gonna dice these guys up. These particular tomatoes have abundance of flavor. They like, the flavor on these are crazy. I'm gonna add those onions in there. Cilantro goes in. Serranos. Garlic. Sprinkle these with a little lime juice. Give that a stir. Now I'm gonna do the same thing with the other two avocados. So I'm gonna add the rest of that lime juice. Kosher salt. You can make this as chunky or as smooth as you want. And I like this because it has a cutting motion, so it's not just smashing it, it's contributing to it being smoother. Oh, that is so good. Oh, that is so good, guys. That is terrific. I need to add nothing.